Same.
The back seat taken off.
You can pull your bag off that truck.
This is their doorway. This is the doorway that's inside the house where we just were. Behind the scenes at Mono Rodriguez's place. Before all the action happens. This is the before. This is daylight when all the... Oh my God, there's a huge rat. All the bones. Skeletons, Frankenstein. Does this coffin open up too? Obviously, huh? Oops. Sorry. Is there stuff under those tarps? Is there stuff under those tarps too?
There's stuff there. There's a lot of different things going on. You'll see it
when it's in full action. Here's the mastermind, the master creator. I can't wait to see what this is gonna be. And what this guy has to say. Bury alive. Oh my God. One of my scariest movies of my lifetime was when I was a little kid. And maybe that's why I don't like scary movies now. And here's the gargoyles that spit out smoke every 3 minutes. And here we're locked in. We can't leave. Greg Roberts.
Okay, what did they... it's weird because they keep us kind of like, well, they can't walk me in it.